So, Honda Navi, just wanted to share my experience with getting the intake kit. I'm not looking for likes, I'm not looking for subs, I just wanted to share this info. I was searching for videos on the Honda Navi about everything when I first got it, so everything helps. So, definitely you'll notice improve speed right off the bat, right off the throttle. It just breathes better, you'll notice better power and more speed. I would definitely get the crankcase filter accessory kit that comes separate. It's like 25 bucks. What I did notice is that the hose and the breather were the same diameter, so I just had to buy a little brass nipple to bridge the two. If you have trouble getting it on, just spray a little hairspray on there, it'll work fine. It comes with the transmission breather. When you take off the box, you just cut that tube and screw that on. All the hose clamps it came with worked out great. It took me 20 minutes to get on, and I'm a novice, so definitely worth it as your first mod if you're going to do that, or if you haven't done it already. Next would probably be the exhaust. One other thing I did do, which rides so much better for me, is I moved up the handlebars a little bit by screwing these and tilting them up. You stretched out a little bit more, but it definitely gives you a better ride and a better feel. So that's it. No likes, no subs. Just want to share the info.